Once your vehicle is safely towed to our facility, we follow a 5-step dismantling process. Starting with safe removal of hazardous materials. The battery is carefully disconnected and removed. EC gas and other remaining gases and liquids are extracted using a suction system. Washer fluid is drained to prevent contamination. The vehicle is lifted to remove engine oil, transmission fluid, and other hazardous liquids. Next, body parts like doors, fenders, hood, seats, and plastic are dismantled and stored separately for recycling. Rubber, wiring harness, glass, and e-waste are segregated and recycled responsibly. The vehicle is then shifted to a hydraulic tilting station where the wheels, exhaust, axle, engine, and other underbody components are removed. The remaining hull is processed and the chassis number is cut out for record compliance. Finally, the hull is compressed into compact steel bales, ready to be sent to steel recyclers for reuse. Every part accounted for, every process is compliant. Every goodbye is handled with respect. Because dignity isn't just in how we drive, it's in how we let go. CERO by Mahindra. Responsible recycling. Done the right way.